a groundbreaking free AI video generator that turns text prompts into high-quality videos featuring AI avatars, automatic editing, and 4K exports. Perfect for beginners and professionals alike, it's the ultimate tool for creating YouTube shorts, AI-driven stories, educational content, or business promos, no editing experience needed. Before diving into these new free CapCut AI features, make sure to download CapCut for desktop using the link provided in the video description. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Getting started. To get access to the new CapCut AI Video Maker, make sure your CapCut desktop app is up to date. Open your CapCut app and log in using your CapCut account. From the dashboard, click the AI Video Maker button. After that, the CapCut AI Video Maker window will open. Here, you'll find 4 different options for creating videos using AI. I'll walk you through each one, step by step, and show you the results they produce. First, we will talk about the Instant AI Video feature. Step 2. Instant AI Video. Use this feature to instantly generate AI videos with stunning images from just a video script. To use this feature, click the Instant AI Video option. The Instant Video settings window will appear on the right side. First, select the style you like from the list. There are many styles available here, such as realistic film, cartoon 3D, movie, and much more. After that, select the video aspect ratio. You can enter your video script in the script box, or if you don't have one, you can click on the Generate Script tab, enter the topic or video idea you want to create. Next, select the duration, from 1 minute to 10 minutes. And then select the voice for your video among the many voices available here. Click the Create button to start generating your AI video. CapCut AI Video Maker will automatically generate the AI voice, subtitles, and footage, and open it in the video editor so you can make adjustments if needed. For example, you can replace, trim, and delete this image if you don't like it. Let's change this image. Simply click the Replace button, and the AI Video Generator window will appear. If you want to write a new scene in the description, you can write it, then select the style and the aspect ratio, then click on the Generate button to start generating your new image. CapCut will provide for results. Select the best one and click the Add to Scene button to use it in your video. You can also upload your own video footage from the Your Media tab or use free CapCut stock footage from the Stock Media tab. To change the video script, you can simply edit it manually or use CapCut Rewrite feature. After making changes, don't forget to click the Regenerate button to update the voiceover and video captions. You can also change the caption style from the element section. And select the caption template you like. After that, you can manually select a track from the music section and click this plus sign to use it. You can also try the new CapCut AI Edit feature. For that, go to the element section and click Apply. Not only will the AI add music, but it will also add stickers, video effects, sound effects, highlight keywords, and more. After everything is set, click the Export button. Here, first, we will name our video. Then we can export the video in resolution up to 4K. Then we will select the format of the video, and then we will choose the frame rate. And then click on Export button to start rendering your AI video with no watermark added. Here is the final result.
A young boy and girl were out exploring one day when they stumbled upon an old abandoned house. "I dare you to go inside," the boy said to the girl. "It's haunted." "I don't believe in ghosts," the girl replied, "but I'm scared of heights. It's up there." The boy glanced up and spotted a ladder leading to a trapdoor in the ceiling. "Let's check it out," he said. As they approached the ladder, the trapdoor creaked open. The boy shone his flashlight up and down, revealing a dusty old rope cart.
Step 3. AI Avatar Video. Use this feature to create AI avatar videos for free. Click the Avatar Video option to open the Avatar Editor window. You can use a pre-made AI avatar from the list. Or, you can clone yourself into an AI avatar by clicking the Customize Avatar button and uploading your video footage. But I currently select a pre-made avatar from here. I select this one. After that, Enter your script. Select an AI voice style. And click Generate to start creating your AI avatar video. Here are some AI avatar videos generated using this feature.
AI Video Maker. A groundbreaking free AI video generator that turns text prompts into high-quality videos featuring AI avatars, automatic editing, and 4K exports.
Try not to become a man of success, but rather, try to become a man of value.
Step 4. Brainstorm with AI. Use this feature to let AI help you brainstorm ideas, gather information, and craft engaging video scripts with the help of AI. Now, let's give it a try. First, click the Brainstorm with AI option and simply tell the AI what idea you have in mind. Then, click the Execute button. And the AI will generate ideas and open them in a mind map editor. Next, select the AI-generated topic you like and click Explore to generate in-depth key point suggestions. Simply click the Pick button on any topic you'd like to include in your video to easily use those key points. After that, click the Generate Script button. Select the video duration between 1 to 10 minutes. And click the Generate button. CapCut AI will generate a video script based on your input and open the editor page. To add a voiceover, click the Voice button. And select the voiceover for your video. Now, to add a video scene, click the Media tab. Here you can use your own media, stock footage, or AI-generated video. Select the style and click Apply to all scenes. After that, go to Avatar tab and select the avatar. Click the Edit button and select No Background and hit Done button. Now, click the Apply to all scenes button. Now the avatar has been added to our video. We drag it and place it in a right position. Finally, select the aspect ratio for your video and hit the Export button. Here you can select your desired resolution and frame rate and click on the Export button. And after a few seconds, your video will be ready.
Did you know that by eating just one meal a day, you can unlock the power of vitamin C in your body? Here's your ultimate guide to the benefits of vitamin C. It's been proven to boost collagen production, which can help with skin aging and wrinkles. A deficiency in vitamin C has also been linked to poor gut health, increased risk of infection, and even cancer. But don't worry, because nature has given us a way to get all the vitamin C we need. And that's through fruits and vegetables. The best sources are bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, lemons. So how much vitamin C do you need? Well, adults need around 70 to 90 milligrams per day. And you can get this from just one meal of fruits and veggies. But if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you'll need even more. Are you getting enough vitamin C in your diet? Let me know in the comments below.
Step 5. Match media to script in one click. Using this feature, we can upload videos and scripts, and they will be automatically matched to create videos. First, upload your videos related to the topic. Then write the video script. Select time and voice for video. Then the AI will automatically create a video for you by merging all the videos you uploaded. Here is an example video generated using this feature.
This is the most beautiful place in the world. The mountains are calling, and I must go. And there's nothing more beautiful than the mountains. Just look at this. Look at these beautiful shades of blue in the sky. It's just amazing. And then you have these cute little birds that are chirping. The wind is blowing through the leaves, and it sounds like they're whispering to you. And then you have this beautiful, like crystal clear water. It's like $1 million view, and you can experience all this for free. It's so unique and beautiful. Nature is so amazing. You should all appreciate it more.
Using CapCut Desktop alongside this AI video maker can truly transform your video editing experience. It allows you to seamlessly combine the power of AI video generation with CapCut's robust editing tools, all in one place. You can download CapCut for desktop using the link in this video's description. If you'd rather not install anything, try the lightweight CapCut web version right in your browser. It's fast and easy to use. And for those who need to edit on the move, CapCut Mobile offers the perfect solution anytime, anywhere. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.